Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. Students, are you ready for your subject science? We had started with our new chapter 6, parts of a plant. I hope you all remember what we have studied in parts of plant. So children, take out your textbook. See, in the last video lesson, I have taught you about the types of the root, taproot and fibrous root. And I hope you have labeled this diagram, right? So let us move further. What is work of roots? Now you know roots, the underground roots which are underground, the soil. So what is the work of roots? What do they do? How do they help plants? Let us see. Roots hold the plant firmly in the soil. Now what is the meaning of firmly, children? Firmly means tightly. When we hold something tightly, right? So roots hold the plants. That is why when strong winds come, so some plants, they do not fall. They remain at their place. Why? Because roots hold them firmly in the soil. Roots absorb water and minerals dissolved in water. Absorb means खींच लेना, right? So roots absorb water and minerals which are dissolved in water. From where do they absorb, children? Obviously where they are down. So they absorb from the soil. Okay, see. They are used by plants to make food. Now these water and minerals are useful for plants further to make food for themselves. We had studied in the previous chapter that plants make their own food. So they make their food with the help of water and minerals which is absorbed by the roots. Okay. Roots of plants like radish, carrot, turnip and sweet potato. See these pictures clearly. Roots of plants. See, can you see these roots? Roots of plants like radish, carrot, turnip and sweet potato. How are their roots described? Let us see. Their roots are thick, swollen and store extra food. Their roots are thick. Swollen and store extra food. Okay. We eat those roots as food. And what happens finally? We eat those roots as our food. You all might be eating this radish, carrot, turnip, sweet potato, right? Then roots, these are about the roots that store food. Okay. Now what is shoot? We studied. I'll show you once again. I hope you remember still. See. The upper part is shoot. This upper part is shoot and this part is root. So now we studied about roots. What is the work of roots? Now let us study about shoot. Now the part of a plant that remains above the ground, that part of the plant that remains above the ground is called shoot, right? A shoot has stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Now what all does shoot include? Stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. This is very important point, children. Mark as important. And if I ask you that what are the parts of shoot, what all does shoot includes? So you have to answer me all these, okay? In the next video lesson, we will study about stem, branches, leaves, etc. in detail. For now, for the revision of this topic, I will show you a short video. So, now see the pictures carefully. What is happening? What was our today's topic? What is the work of roots? See, roots hold the plant firmly. Can you see? Roots are holding this firmly, and roots absorb water and minerals so that plants can make their own food. Now I will show you pictures of those roots which store food, and which were that? Carrot, radish, turnip and sweet potato. See, radish, carrot, turnip and sweet potato. And now what are shoots? Shoots are those part of the plant which remains above the ground, right? So I hope this was clear for you. We'll meet in the next video lesson with the new topic. Till then, take care, keep smiling. God bless you.